Welcome to David Susilo Unscripted. Click like, share, and subscribe before we start. So let's make it quick. Today I received Bluesound Pulse Cinema Mini. I originally requested the Pulse Cinema, so just use this Pulse Cinema Mini as a review unit before I return it. Bluesound, if you don't know, is meant to be the audiophile version of Sonos. Different competing companies, of course. And if you look at the product offering, the difference is clear. The build quality is solid. It has some European feel or look to it. Understated, well thought out, minimalistic, yet functional. Hey, even the box is understated and very functional. It's double box for your pleasure. So even if you ship this thing, the actual box inside won't be dirty. Even the writing outside is just the brand and the model name. Because if you really want to know the features, just go to the Bluesound website. Going back to the unboxing, you can see that the box is reusable. Everything, both outside and inside, they are all recyclable, and they are also made of recyclable materials. And typical of Bluesound product, it comes with everything, and I really mean everything. Here's the accessories box. It comes with Ethernet cable, HDMI cable, North American AC cable, and also power cable for the rest of the world. It also comes with a screw, an Allen key, and wall mounting bracket. Come to think of it, I lied. It does not come with everything. On the website, it says that this unit can be calibrated using Dirac Live. And for that, you have to pay an additional around $50 to buy the microphone for Dirac Live calibration. To me, that's a very odd decision. And now here it is, the soundbar itself. Covered in cloth material, which visually I like, but dusting is not going to be easy. Stealing the picture from the internet, you can see the back consists of power input, USB input, LAN input, optical input, HDMI eARC input, a pair of RCA for analog input, and a subwoofer out. I truly like the RJ45 input and also subwoofer output, so I don't need to use Wi-Fi and not forced to use Bluesound subwoofer. For example, if I want to use a $30 subwoofer right now, that's fine. Or later on, I want to upgrade to a $4,000 subwoofer, that will be fine as well. I don't have to rebuy the whole thing. As for the app, you have to use the BlueOS controller. It's free to download, but again, just like any other app out there, you have to sign your life away. And the app now is very stable. And I truly mean a lot more stable than the previous 2 years or so. No more hiccups, no more freezing, and also very responsive. The step-by-step setup guide is also very simplistic and a breeze to use. And here it is, the visual comparison between Sonos Arc Ultra versus the Bluesound Cinema Mini. As a background music speakers, it's impeccable. There's nothing to complain about, and vocals and dialogues sounding warm and clear. And considering it is a soundbar, the sonic immersion is still very good. If you already have a Bluesound ecosystem, this is a no-brainer. It's a good product, not expensive, and you get a lot more than what you bargained for. So what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye. Welcome to David Susilo Unscripted, and here's my video of the aluminum billet MiniDisc I purchased from Eddie Chan.
Let's take a trip down memory lane, when my heart was young and life was a game. Pop it in the player, let the good times roll. MiniDisc magic, it's a part of my soul. Every mix I made with love and care brings me back to moments we would share. Retro vibes spinning round and round. Music in my pocket, happiness I found. With every track I'm lost in the sound. The nostalgia hits me and I'm homeward bound. MiniDisc, you make me feel alive. A little piece of heaven, my joy, my drive. Press play, let the memories ignite. Dancing through the night, everything feels right. Oh, MiniDisc, take me back in time to the days of old when life felt sublime. With every note, my heart takes flight. MiniDisc forever, shining so bright. In my room, stacks of discs align, creating my world one track at a time. From rock to funk and a little pop delight, every song tells a story under the moonlight. Swapping with my mates, sharing our faves. These little gems, they carry our waves. A tapestry of tunes woven through years, spinning in nostalgia, laughter, and cheers. MiniDisc, you make me feel alive. A little piece of heaven, my joy, my drive. Press play, let the memories ignite. Dancing through the night, everything feels right. Oh, MiniDisc, take me back in time to the days of old when life felt sublime. With every note, my heart takes flight. MiniDisc forever, shining so bright. Oh, let's turn it up. Feel the rhythm, feel the love. Can't stop the music, we're flying high. With my MiniDisc, we touch the sky. Rewind, press record, let the magic flow. These moments replay like a sweet echo. It's not just technology, it's a part of my heart. A treasure chest of memories, never to part. MiniDisc, you make me feel alive. A little piece of heaven, my joy, my drive. Press play, let the memories ignite. Dancing through the night, everything feels right. Oh Lord, MiniDisc, take me back in time to the days of old when life felt sublime. With every note, my heart takes flight. MiniDisc forever, shining so bright.
So what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.